Hello, welcome to the EagleSix Airsoft video. We're going to be testing this Fde Ngrs Aeg. This one has had Prometheus hard gears in there, the 20:1 ratio double torque ones. It's got a Gate Titan MOSFET installed, Prometheus Spring guide, EagleSix M130 NGRS spring, Prometheus metal bushings. We had to put a TM original trigger spring in there because there was none in there. It was using just the blade contact switch set to return the trigger. Very weird. So obviously someone's been in there at some point. It's got a Prometheus Tightbore barrel, which is 300mm in length. We've got the Prometheus High Torque motor, which is really good motor. It produces surprisingly low amp draw. Very good product. Really happy with that. We've also got the R-hop modification that was done to the Prometheus barrel, and obviously it's lifting 4.3s really well and flat to 65 meters, and obviously, like I say, it goes further if you want it to. And we've got the 295 on 4.3s and 444 on 0.2s, meeting the customer requirements of a maximum of 450 FPS. And there we are. So obviously we're just going to demonstrate it now. Obviously it's locked to single shot, this one is, and obviously we're just ready for just testing, just to demonstrate it. So it's a DMR build. Put some ammo in it, that would help. Definitely hitting the wood down there at some pace. There we go. So obviously fully functioning, obviously shooting, obviously all correct. So yeah, we're ready to pass this now, and hopefully, obviously, you get it back and you see as good performance. Any problems, let us know. But otherwise, we hope you enjoy it. Okay, thank you.